Hello everyone, it is Susan here and I want to welcome you to my channel. So today I have a watercolor video for you. I hope that you enjoy and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Here's the video. Today we are going to open up this brand new container of miniature paintbrushes. 7, I guess I don't know, are there 7 in here? But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It was just delivered to my house and I did start to open it, but the packaging was so beautiful. I'm like, let me just do it with everybody. And what I've done is I took a piece of my caddy paper, which was, is it 8 by 8, I think? Yes. And I tore it into 4 pieces. So I have 4 by 4 pieces of watercolor paper. I do have my core watercolor palette. And we are going to do a test, a review. And the YouTuber that I saw this from is right here, Acre Art Studio. And yeah, this was the video that I saw this on. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what are those? And and she kindly responded and she said NicPro, and you can get it on Amazon. I'm like, okay, never heard of it. You know, it does say for acrylic, oil, or watercolor. So this came with a plastic, packaging. It also has this sleeve on it, which I'm not even going to take all the way off because I think I want it on there. And then halfway down the plastic tubing, it actually, you unscrew it, right? And then get a load of this. Look at this beautiful packaging. It has the name on it, and it is like a nice, soft, like velvety feeling. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. So let's see what's inside. So this is how it comes inside. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there's 7 of them. Fine detail art brushes, and there's 7 of them. Of course, all different sizes. And I want to just play with one of the really like smaller ones. Like, so this is 5 /0 size, so it's like really a fine, very fine brush. I don't even know if you can even like see that. It's like smaller than like an eyeliner brush. And then this is 4/0. This is 0. This is a 2. This is also a 2, but one is round, one is flat. This is a 3/0. And this and the bristles get like a little bit longer as well. And a 3/0. Except they're totally different. So one is a long 3/0 and one is not as long. So even though they're the same size, they have different length brushes. So yeah, so these are both the 3/0. Super thin. And look at the way the handle is. It makes it's so it's easy to hold. It's not going to roll. So I'm just excited. I think I'm going to probably use the 5/0 just because it is the smallest. I've never seen a brush this small, and we're just going to play and see. I'm going to do a heart. We're going to paint a quick heart, and yeah. And I want to see how it works, because what she painted a butterfly. And And then she used this brush to outline the butterfly, and it was just amazing, I must say. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use a size 10 round, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little bit of color. I'm gonna put a heart on here, like I said. And then while it's wet, I'm gonna come in with a deeper color, and we're going to outline this. Okay, it's pretty wet. I'm making it nice and wet. Okay, so there's our heart. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this smaller brush. It's like it has like 2 or 3 eyelashes on it. It's so small. It's unbelievable. The paint that I'm using is Core Watercolors. And I'm going to scoot that over. Let me see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can really see this. Okay. So it feels so weird to put paint on it because I feel like oh, look at that. Wow, and it does bleed in there, but look, oh, talk about detail. Oh my word. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it. So actually, let me go up this side, because the top of the heart is already drying. Look at how that bleeds in there. So depending on how hard I push this, right? So if I push down very little, it gives even more of a super fine line. Yeah, if I wanted it, like that was super, super, super fine, and I'm gonna do super fine around here. And now I'm going to push down a little harder on this side so you can easily see. I had a little bead of water there. So you can see that you can actually press down and make it a wider outline. Oh my gosh, I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. This is pretty fun, if you ask me. You know, there's some times where you just need that super duper duper fine detail, and yeah. So look at how pretty that is. I want to do one more, and we're going to use the next size up. Let's see. So I'm going to use the 3/0, that is a round brush. And I'm going to actually switch to my Daniel Smith. And I want to use the red and the pink that I have in here. So let's see. All right. So here goes. So let me get this pink. Oh, you know what? Wait a minute. Wrong. One moment, please. Let me, with my big brush, make the heart. And of course with Opera Rose, right? Gotta love it. Gotta love it. So like one thing that you can definitely do, so even at this point, I could come in here with a deeper color, and of course just do this, and it's just going to be awesome and amazing, right? But let's go ahead and let me grab that 3/0, and I think I'm going to use that same color that I just put on there, and let's go around. Oh my gosh, Wow. I hope you guys can see that okay. You know what? This is a lot of fun. I thought that I had all the brushes. Because I love brushes. You know, I love to try all different kinds of brushes. And so when I saw her using this, at first I was like, is that a pencil or a pen or a brush? What is it? And look at how pretty that is. All right, well, that is what I wanted to review with all of you. So my review for these NicPro brushes is a definite yes. So if you want to do something just a little bit different on some of your paintings, I can recommend these. All right, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Alrighty, bye-bye.